Hey guys, you're back with Justin at Great Lakes Mushroom Company. Remember our last video? And we talked about what do you do when you have this overgrowth growing in your bag? And I told you, I promised you I was going to tell you what to do with it later. Well, right now it's later. We're going to learn exactly what to do with all this overgrowth. Don't throw it away and don't compost it, especially if it's still good. Now, before we get started with anything, the very first thing we do, since we're at Great Lakes Mushroom Company, which also has a commercial kitchen in it, we're going to wash our hands because now we're officially dealing with food. Now it's time to throw on a hairnet, throw on our blue gloves, and get ready to use these scraps that we would normally be throwing away in the trash or a compost on an amazing gourmet mushroom pizza. Oh, look. All right, so we're gonna take our knife and we're just gonna cut the top just like in the last one and pull out all that overgrowth. This happens to be some lion's mane mushroom, which I think is gonna go amazing on a pizza. Now, as you see the bottom, you're gonna have some substrate. Never eat substrate, and we got a video coming up on that. But I want this gorgeous mushroom flesh. This is still really good mushroom. No need to waste it, no need to use it. Now, of course, it's not as pretty as we would like it to be, but it's still very much edible, it's still very much medicinal, and it's gonna make your pizzas taste absolutely insane. All right, guys, we're back. We got our mushrooms cut. We got our pizza toppings ready. Now we're gonna get ready to go ahead and make an amazing gourmet mushroom pizza. We're here with my employee, Zach, and we can't wait to let you guys see the finished product. Now, while we throw this in the oven and wait for it to cook, a quick word from our sponsors. It's me, I'm the sponsor. So guys, at Great Lakes, we're not just the area's largest supplier of gourmet medicinal mushrooms or microgreens and a holistic natural store like no other. We also travel all over the state doing hands-on mushroom workshops, showing you how to grow mushrooms. If you're interested in having one of these classes or coming to our area, please go ahead and check our website, mushroomdeliveries.com/events. So I'm absolutely loving how the king oysters turned out looking like sausage with no effort from me at all, just slicing them and putting them on there. Anyway, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. That's what you do with straggly mushrooms. You cook them. As long as they're still good, not green or contaminated.